Hi, welcome second grade. This is our at-home lesson taught by Miss Houston, Miss Lokensgaard, and Miss Geyer. Be sure to take out your number, a pencil, and a paper. We will be reviewing what we currently know about addition and adding new knowledge to that by learning how to add double digits. Put on your game face as we dive into the world of numbers.
To start out our addition unit of adding double digits, we are going to talk about some of the words that come to mind when you hear addition. Pause this video and write down some of the words that come to your mind when I say addition. Press play when you are ready to hear the words that came to my mind. When I first thought of addition, the four words that I thought of are plus, combine, put together, and sum. When I think of addition, the first thing that came to my mind was plus. This is because we use the plus sign when we are adding. The next word is combine. This is because we are combining two or more numbers together. Put together because we are putting numbers together, and sum because we are going to be getting a sum at the end of a problem. Did you have any of these words? If not, write them down so that you can remember them for next time. First, to start out, we are going to do a simpler problem of adding single digits before we get into the double digit ones that are more difficult. To start, we are going to count the first number of baseballs in this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we count the first number in this addition problem, we have 5 baseballs. Next, we are going to be adding the second amount of baseballs. So let's count this amount of baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our second amount is 6 baseballs. Take a minute, pause the video, and add 5 plus 6 together on your own. Press play when you are ready to hear the answer. So, when we add 5 plus 6 together, an easy way of figuring this out is to combine all the baseballs and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have a total of 11 baseballs, which means 5 plus 6 equals 11. To help us visualize addition, we can use counting blocks. This first example of a counting block is one counting block. If we count the number of blocks in the second one, we can see that it is 10. So if you see this counting block, you will know that it represents the number 10. Lastly, we can count the number of the last one. We see that there are 10 rows of 10 counting blocks. This means that there are 100 total in this one, and so when we see this, we can know that it means there is 100. These are very useful in helping us add double digits together. So, we are going to start off by adding double digits with tennis balls. First, let's count the first set of tennis balls that we are going to be adding together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our first number is 12. On your piece of paper in front of you, write down 12 plus, and then we will find out what number we are going to be adding to 12. So next, we are going to count the next number of tennis balls that we will be adding in this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will be doing 12 plus 10. On your piece of paper, write 12 plus 10 equals. And take a minute, pause the video, and count the number total of tennis balls. An easy way to do this is start by counting the first number of tennis balls and add on the second one. Press play when you have your answer. So, as we can see, we have 10 plus 12 equals 22 total tennis balls.
Okay, another example problem that we can go is 12 plus 31 plus 4. And so if you take out your base 10 blocks, that we can help to visualize the numbers. That 12 is the 10 block and then 2 ones. and 31 is 3 10 blocks and 1 1, and then 4 is 4 1 block cubes. So when we add it all together, you just combine everything that you have, and we end up with 4 10 blocks, so that's 40, and then we have 7 1 block cubes, so all of that together is 47.
Now I'm going to show you guys a new way to add bigger numbers to make it a little bit easier. We've been looking at addition this way, from side to side, but now we're going to look at it up and down. Can you see another difference besides direction? That's right, we only use one plus sign rather than two, and our equal signs become one line under the rest of the numbers. First, we're going to take the numbers in the ones place and add them together. We're going to take 11, 21, and 31 and add them all together. We'll just take the tens place ones and cover those up for now. I'm sure many of you were watching the big basketball tournament on TV right now, so we're going to use basketballs to count. We have 1, 2, 3 basketballs. Remember that number for later. Now we'll take a break from the ones place and move on to the tens place numbers and add those together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basketballs. So then the 6 will then be moved into the tens place. So then we have 11 plus 21 plus 31 equals 63. I know this might seem a little bit confusing right now, but we'll practice more tomorrow, just like in sports, practice makes perfect, and you guys will get it down in no time.
All right, class, now is the quiz, and this is only going to be graded for completion because it is an at-home lesson. So if you guys can just do this and have it done before Monday, that would be great. Feel free to email me with any questions you have, or you can bring them to class because we'll be doing some review for this as well. And also be sure to bring back your class set of the base 10 blocks. Thank you. Have a good weekend.